Happy Christmas, friends! If you are new to this channel, my name is Yucee and I'm so happy to have you here. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for your great support. So today I'm going to show you how to make 2 watermelon smoothie. Let's dive into today's recipe. First, I'm grabbing a cup of frozen watermelon and I'll go ahead to put it into a blender. A cup of frozen banana, a small piece of ginger, a spoonful of unsweetened yogurt for protein, cover and blend. If you are using a liquid for the recipe, be sure to add it first because it will help your blender run a little more smoothly. I topped it up with yogurt. The watermelon and the banana give it that sweetness. Next is watermelon and apple smoothie. We have half cup of liquid milk, a cup of fried apple, half a cup of frozen banana. I'm grabbing a cup of frozen watermelon thrown into a blender. A spoonful of Greek yogurt. This is going to add a little bit of protein into this smoothie. Let's cover and blend. Look at this goodness coming together. Are they not beautiful? I love the sweetness from the apple and watermelon. These are really tasty and packed with great nutrients. I hope you give it a try and let me know in the comment section because I love hearing from you guys. And be sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more great recipes. Bye bye.